Hello, my name is Tori Scarzello, and I'd like to welcome you to this training on Efficiency Vermont's Business Energy Loan. I'll begin with an overview of the program, covering basics such as current interest rates, project and customer eligibility, and the loan application process. After that, I'll talk about the benefits of financing and how the business energy loan can be a valuable tool to bring to the table as you, the contractor, work with your customers. And finally, I'll leave you with some resources on the business energy loan to learn more about the program and help you or your customers get started. The Business Energy Loan is a financing program for businesses undertaking energy efficiency improvements. The goal of the program is to offer an easy, flexible solution for businesses to finance their efficiency upgrades, even if they don't have an existing lender relationship. The program is offered in partnership between Efficiency Vermont and VSCCU, a state-chartered credit union serving all of Vermont. Customers work with Efficiency Vermont to qualify their project and then apply for the loan through VSCCU. The Business Energy Loan offers a choice of loan terms between 3 and 10 years, and interest rates are based on the term of the loan, ranging from 3.5% for loans up to 3 years to 5.5% for loans up to 10 years. The Business Energy Loan is designed to make it easy for businesses to access the capital they need to pursue energy efficiency projects. The application process is fast and simple, with no business financials, no down payment, and no collateral required, enabling customers to start saving on upgrades from the moment they invest. On top of that, there are no closing costs or application fees. Loans start at $3,500 and can go up to $50,000, and the borrower can use the loan to finance up to 100% of the project cost. The loan can be used in conjunction with other financing and could even be used to cover the collateral requirement of a larger efficiency project, which helps address the upfront cash barrier that can otherwise put the brakes on a project. And finally, for a limited time, borrowers have the option to defer up to the first 4 payments or 3 payments for 10-year loans. Deferring payments allows businesses to start reaping the benefits of their efficiency upgrades and save on their bills immediately, which can provide much needed relief in the near term and creates a cash flow stream that helps them pay for their project in the long term. These flexible payment options aim to support businesses who may be hard hit by the economic impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic and is available through the end of 2020. Combined with the loan's low interest rates, now's a better time than ever for customers to finance their projects if they're struggling to come up with the capital. In terms of project eligibility, the Business Energy Loan can be used for any qualifying efficiency upgrades that are supported by Efficiency Vermont. Some of the most popular measures we see utilizing the Business Energy Loan have been heat pumps, weatherization, lighting, HVAC, refrigeration, and even maple sugaring equipment. Please note that the following kinds of projects or improvements are not eligible: projects not supported by Efficiency Vermont, renewables, storm preparedness measures, or structural improvements not related to energy efficiency. If you're unsure whether your project is eligible, please contact Efficiency Vermont. To apply for the loan, the customer must meet the following qualifications. First, they must be a business entity physically located in Vermont. This includes for-profit businesses, nonprofits, farms, institutions, co-ops, municipalities, and owners of rental housing. The applicant must have a credit score of 660 or higher. They'll need to provide a certificate of good standing from the Office of the Vermont Secretary of State, and they'll need to become a member of VSCCU by opening an account and depositing $25. To begin the application process, first the customer will need to work with you, their contractor, to get a quote outlining the cost of their project. The quote should include the make and model number of any efficient equipment being installed. The customer will provide the quote to Efficiency Vermont and will complete a review of the project within 2 business days to make sure that the project qualifies for the Business Energy Loan and determine the customer's maximum loan amount that they can apply for. The maximum loan amount is equal to the total project cost minus any Efficiency Vermont incentives they will be receiving for the project. As I mentioned earlier in the presentation, customers can borrow up to $50,000. Once we have reviewed the project, we'll provide the customer with the Business Energy Loan application with a project ID number and instructions for applying. The project ID number signals to VSCCU that Efficiency Vermont has qualified the project for the Business Energy Loan, and from there, the loan approval is in VSCCU's hands. The customer completes and submits the application to VSCCU, and if all is in order, the loan is approved and work can begin. When the loan is approved, VSCCU will disperse a minimum of 50% of the loan to the contractor. Once the project is complete, you will fill out a work completion document and the customer will submit this document to VSCCU. VSCCU will then disperse the remaining loan amount to the contractor. So by now, you should have a basic understanding of how the business energy loan works. Now, I'd like to shift gears and talk about some of the benefits of financing, which will hopefully shed light on how this program can be helpful for both your customers and your business. First and foremost, financing addresses the upfront cost barriers that can unfortunately put the brakes on a project. If you have a lead that is stalling, it may be because the customer is struggling to come up with the capital to move forward. Efficiency Vermont incentives may cover some of the project costs, but not all of them, and not all customers have access to capital or discretionary funds on hand. That's where financing can help. In these types of situations, being able to offer your customer a simple financing solution may be all it takes to keep things moving forward. Beyond that, financing can be a good fit for a customer regardless of whether they have the capital on hand for projects. Some may want to use financing to free up funds for other things, or even use it to cover the collateral on a larger efficiency project. For a typical efficiency project, the money invested upfront is recouped in years or even months as the savings on the customer's energy bills accumulate until they are greater than the project cost, at which point the savings generate a new positive cash flow. When a customer finances their efficiency project, they are able to spread upfront costs into monthly payments that are offset by their reduced energy costs. Research suggests that framing the project cost in terms of monthly payments can increase a customer's appetite for completing an efficiency project. Efficiency Vermont can work with you and your customers to analyze the project savings and determine how best to structure the loan such that the project is cash flow neutral or even cash flow positive from the start, as this chart here illustrates. The analysis and support available from Efficiency Vermont can help strengthen the value proposition for completing the upgrades and even make the difference between yes and no on the entire project. On top of that, customers who take advantage of the deferred payment option can start saving from day one. The cost savings generated in those first 3 to 4 months can go right to their bottom lines, and the loan can often be structured so that payments are covered by the monthly energy savings going forward. Finally, as a member of the Efficiency Excellence Network, the Business Energy Loan is a tool in your toolbox. For any work you are doing that is qualified by Efficiency Vermont, business financing is available. We encourage EEN members to incorporate the Business Energy Loan offering into conversations with customers and engage Efficiency Vermont when a cash flow analysis could support a project in moving forward. If you are not a member of the Efficiency Excellence Network, please consider joining to take advantage of the full suite of member benefits. With that, please do not hesitate to get in touch with any questions you have about the Business Energy Loan, whether it be qualifying projects, the application process, or how we can help you and your customer. You can find more information on the Business Energy Loan by visiting both VSCCU and Efficiency Vermont's websites. In addition, Efficiency Vermont has printable marketing resources, such as the one shown here, available for EEN members like you to support your conversations with customers. You can always contact your Efficiency Vermont account manager with questions about the Business Energy Loan or any other project questions in general. Thank you for viewing this training on the Business Energy Loan. We look forward to working with you.